Hello, so it's just a get ready with me video since it's been a long time since I sat and did some makeup. So let's start. If I don't talk, it's because of this noise. Okay. I am first using this spray from Badescu. This one instantly gives you that fresh, feels like you're rubbing some moisturizer because it's like a thick liquid. Next we're going to try this one from e.l.f. Illuminating Primer. It's for basically long lasting makeup. Fills in the lines and texture of your face. Because it's winter, I got this with that little hydration and glow. It has like a gold shimmer in it. You can apply it all over your face, but I'm just trying not to. You see this dry skin here and here. I'm taking this one from Sugar Arch Rival. This one is not new, but I just didn't buy any new eyebrow pencil. Corrector first, so I'm using this e.l.f. Pro Conceal Orange Corrector, just a slight bit. So next we'll go in for the e.l.f. Eyeshadow Primer, which is so tiny. Just matte it out. We should let it dry. My eyelids still look a bit dark, so I'm applying this concealer from Swiss Beauty. This is a very light shade, so I'm just trying to use it it's in the shade 6. I'm taking this palette from Flower Beauty. I'm taking this brown here. Just doing some light strokes, creating a crease. This brush is so soft and lovely because it's long and fluffy. I am taking this palette from Revolution. I'm taking this brown. I'm taking this brush from Plume P24. It's a nice small tiny brush. And just going in the outer corners little bit like this, taking it in the crease. I took the smaller brush so that I don't disturb what I did before with the light brown from the Flower Beauty one. Now I'm taking this palette from Revolution again, Makeup Revolution Hypnotic. And I'm taking this shade, which is almost like my skin color for my eyelids, which has little creased. I'm taking P09 from Plume. I don't know if it's focusing, but yeah, it's a nice flat brush. Just on the crease. Now I am so excited to use this one, this shade from the Flower Beauty one, or just using my finger. I don't want it to be like a very cut crease-ish. Just want that little glitter on the top like this. I am taking this dark brown first, taking a random brush, Exam Design. I'm just putting it closer to my lashes first. With hooded eyes, you can't really do any thick liner, so I'm doing very light. And then I'm going in with this tiny cute little brush from 08. Look how tiny it is. I mix these two, bronze and pink. Using the P24. Now let's quickly do the under eyes. I am going to correct it. So I'm going to do foundation first and then we'll do the concealer. I'm super excited and nervous also to use this because I bought a dark shade. Look how dark it is. PAC Take Cover in the shade Twisted Toffee, which is kind of a nice LA Girl dupe. See how dark it is. I am taking this concealer brush from PAC 219. Grwm P22. You see how I want to target it like this without disturbing my eyeshadow. I am taking the Swiss concealer just to highlight the center of my face very lightly. I'm going to set it all because I feel it's too light. I'm really loving the eye look. It's so subtle, so cute. I'm going to use the same palette and use this brown pinkish thing for a blush. Have you ever used eyeshadow as a blush? Because I'm honestly bored of my blushes and there's so many colors in this eyeshadow palette. So I would also want to contour my face using the same palette. It's dark brown, which I used in my outer corners of the eye. See? Ooh. Bronzish shade. This is my current favorite from Sugar, Limitless. Now for lips, I'm taking this one from PAC Retro Matte in the shade Chocolate Martini. I'm taking this Lakme lip liner in the shade Brick Rose, which is not available, so smudge that up a bit. Then I'm using this liquid lipstick from Lakme in the shade Nude Latte. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll put this lip gloss from Lime Crime. It's in the shade Extra Poppin'. Okay, that is it. This is the final look and I hope you like this. I'll see you in my next. Bye.